Today we're going to be looking at linear regression, scatter plots, and linear regression. Scatter plots are plots of bivariate data. I have entered a set of bivariate data in list 1 and list 2. List 1 holds all of the x variables and list 2 holds all of the y variables. So one piece of this bivariate data is the point 210. Another one is the point 311, and they are plotted with x on the horizontal and y on the vertical as such. In order to plot statistical plots, we need to use StatPlot, which is located just above the y equals. So second function y equals, and we want to turn StatPlot on and then choose ScatterPlot. List 1 and list 2 are already our default lists. You could change the mark if you like, not necessary. When creating a statistical plot, it is best to zoom your window automatically to the statistics set being plotted. So zoom stat is number 9. You can tab down or you can press number 9. And this is a plot of our data. Returning to the stat section, we want to perform a linear regression, and we can perform an ax plus b or an a plus bx regression. I'm going to use the first one, the ax plus b, where a is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept. So number 4, this is with the wizard installed. You would just tell it L1, L2, no frequency list. In order to be able to use our equation, we want to store it. We will store that in a plot variable, in a function plot variable. We access those through the vars menu. Var stands for variables, and y variables is what we're interested in looking at. Y1 will be the location of our line. So with all that information included, we click calculate, and y equals ax plus b is the format where a is 0.934 and change and b is 8.101 or 006, however you want to round. We have a correlation coefficient of 0.965, and we have a coefficient of variation, r squared, is equal to 0.9319, and that will tell us that 93.19% of variation is attributable to the linear relationship to the line. Now let's look at our graph. By including y1, we have already imported the line, so when we graph, we plot the line along with the data variables. To calculate, to use that line to find a y hat estimate, we don't want trace, we want the calculate menu. And let's say we want the value for 5.5. If we had 5.5, we would have we would expect to see a 13.12 in the response variable. The next video will show you how to compute residuals from this data set. Thank you.